Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. This is the website of NIT Jalandhar, not any learning platform website. But why I am here, I am going to show you in this video. Firstly, about B.R. Ambedkar National Institute of Technology Jalandhar ranked 52 in all over India. Before moving further, you can join our WhatsApp group. I just opened this WhatsApp group for you all for informing you about local internships also. Now we are going to see, so you must join our WhatsApp group. I also update many courses on that, many Udemy courses and other free certificate courses. And here we are on this website because of this course, online short-term course on application of machine learning in advancement of computer science. It is organized between 17 to 21st August and the deadline is 51st August for registration in this. So you can see when you tap on this, you get this PDF. Here you get to know about all about NITs, this NIT Jalandhar, and you can see all the experts and all the instructors you can see on your screen from IIT Roorkee also, and also a big learned team which teach you online in this machine learning course. Here is the registration fees. There is no registration fees for this, and also you get a registration link there. Now I am going to explore these courses. Here you can see about the B.R. Ambedkar University and about the course also. The main aim of the course is to give insights into the application of machine learning and the advancement of computer science in the pandemic times where the whole world is in the lockdown phase. So it is very nice initiative from the NIT Jalandhar, and you can see the objectives, the broad objectives of this course on your screen. To understand the rudiments of machine learning, deep learning framework, applications of machine learning, security and privacy issues in IoT, and also issues and challenges in the latest research trends in computer science. You can see the registration. There is no registration fees for this, and there is a link in the description. You go through it, you directly get the Google form where you need to register. I am also going to show you how to register in this course so you doesn't have any doubt after this video. And you can see the contact information about this course. If you have any doubt, you can contact in the given phone number and email ID. Now I am going to register in this course. I show you whole registration process for this course. You can see the registration form, a Google form from B.R. Ambedkar National Institute of Technology Jalandhar. Now let's see what is in this registration form. Firstly, it needs email address that is compulsory to fill, and after that name, designation, organization, participant type, and in the beneath there is a need of WhatsApp number also. Now I am going to show you how to register in this. Now I am going to register in this course. You can see on your screen, firstly need an email, after that your name, a full name which you need on your certificate, and after that your designation, that is the student organization. For students, your organization is your university or your college name, and after that there is need of participant type. Participant type you can see here, faculty, researcher, MTech, BTech students. So just tap on it. Let's see one more time this list. Here, outsider, industrial personnel, or research scholar, or a student of BTech and MTech. And lastly, your WhatsApp number, and just tap on it. You get registered, and after registering, you get a confirmation email from this university. You can see here. It also contains the details of what you entered in the Google form. Hope you like this video. If you get benefited, please share it. Thanks for watching, friends.